In this topic of the Windows 11 course, we will discuss about widget. In my previous video, I have disabled the widget. I will quickly go to the taskbar setting. Under the taskbar setting, there is an option, personalization taskbar. If I go to the section widget, I'll be able to enable or disable the widget. I will simply enable this widget. Now I can see the widget. If I disable the widget, I don't see the widget. I will enable the widget. So widget is the place where you get information about news, stocks, weather, location, and many more information. If I click on the widget, you can see there are multiple widgets. For each of the widget, you can select this three dotted area and you will be able to customize. You can unpin the widget, and for some of the widget, you will be able to hide. Not each of the widget has the same customization option. If you see, this particular widget has a different customization or settings option, and if you click on this widget, it has a different customization option. And if you go to the settings of the widget panel itself, you will be able to add any other widget if you wanted to have. Like if I wanted to have sports widget, timer widget, I can select pin, and I will go to again, I will go to tips, I will pin the widget. From here also I will be able to do the same action. I will click on this add button and I will go to weather, or I will go to the watch list. I will pin this, and if you want to unpin, you can simply click on this three dotted section and you can unpin the widget like this. And I have not signed into the Microsoft account. If you have signed into the Microsoft account, you will see the most preferred widget. So this is the sign in section. If you have signed in, you will be able to see for your profile, for your user ID, the most preferred widgets will be available under the widget section. So that's it for this widget topic. I'll see you in the next topic.